The Holosun HS403B is essentially the HS403C without the solar array or auto brightness sensors. In other words, the HS403B is only battery powered. The lack of solar array also allowed them to move the brightness control buttons to the top of the optic, making them more easily accessed with either hand. The biggest benefit of this is that the HS403B is even more affordable. The HS403B is a 20mm micro-optical sight designed for rifle and carbine applications. Features include 12 brightness settings, Holosun's Super LED with up to 50,000 hours of battery life, and 2 MOA dot. Holosun says that one CR2032 battery can last in the 403B for 50,000 hours, which is about 5 years long. This is a huge deal, and it's definitely a big factor to consider when looking for a new red dot sight. Holosun is starting to make a name for themselves because people are beginning to realize that they make high-quality red dot sights that are priced affordably. Now, even though this sight has a really long battery life, you will have to eventually change it out. The thing is, some sights, even from Holosun, are a pain in the neck in that regard. The HS403B is also robust and reliable. We also like that the 403B is waterproof and dustproof. You can actually keep this sight 1 meter underwater for 30 minutes, and it'll hold up just fine, so no need to worry in case of rain or if it falls in a creek or puddle. The lens on the 403B is extremely clear. You see, with some other sights, you get a greenish tint covering everything in your sight picture. But when you look through the HS403B, you won't get any off-color hue, and you'll be able to see everything very clearly. In addition to that, the reticle is a crisp 2 MOA dot. The great thing about this is that at 2 MOA, the dot is big enough that your eye can quickly catch it when you present your rifle. But at the same time, it's still small enough that you can aim precisely at targets in the distance. Another great feature about this red dot sight, and pretty much all Holosuns, is that you get 2 mounts included. When you get your HS403B, it will come attached to a lower 1/3 co-witness mount, which makes it a great companion to an AR-15. But if you want to put it on something like a CZ Scorpion, a shotgun, an AK, or another platform in the box, you'll find a low mount as well. It really is sometimes a pain to go out and find a mount that will fit your sight, and then pay extra money for it. But that's not an issue with the 403B. The HS403B does have one unique feature called Shake Awake. The red dot sight will automatically turn off after not being used for a period of time specified by the user, 0 to 12 hours. It will automatically turn back on when it senses motion or vibration. This helps ensure the battery lasts even longer.